Hi, in this video we will discuss about Mangalore University 4th Sem BCA Computer Graphics and Animation Lab Part A programs. Program 2. Design the following using library functions line, fill ellipse, set fill style, flat fill, circle, rectangle, fill poly, pie slice, sector, arc, etc. So this is the given problem. As we have discussed all these basic functions in our previous session, let us see what are the commands required to create all these pictures. So this is the output required. So let us decide what are the commands we want. To generate these birds, we can use arc command, and here this can be a rectangle, and to fill this with the blue color you can just say set fill style, and you can set the left slash to get this, and this can be generated using a fill ellipse function, and this can be a sector, this can be a pie slice, and this can be once again some circle, this can be an arc, and this is as usual, this is a line, this is a fill ellipse with yellow color, this is with black color, and this is going to be a pie slice or a sector. So we are going to work with different colors. So the basic thing to know about the color is, first you have to use set color. Then if you say set color of green and then you use line command, this line will be generated in green color. So that we have to remember. Let us see the coding. So we just initialize graphics.h init graph, and then this is the fish tank. So this approximation values you can decide by just drawing a graph like this. So in the plain sheet you can just mark approximately the values, and then you can go for drawing. So in this particular case, if you imagine this is going to be your rectangle, this is something like 220, and this is the value, like that you can mark it. So I am drawing from 220 comma 300. So this is what 220 comma 300. This value you can obtain like this, and you can go for approximation. If you feel you want to make the fish size larger or smaller, that depends upon your wish. You can make some small changes, but the thing is it should look like a fish. So we have just used rectangle and set fill style of left slash with light blue, and I am using flat fill. Since my tank is in white color, I am just going to fill till it reaches white color. Then fish, we are going to say fish body will be in blue color, so we set the fill style to say on blue and solid fill, and I am using fish fill ellipse. And now we are going to create the eyes of the fish. It is in red color, so I am just going to create two ellipse. So one is a ellipse with red color, outer one with red color. Then I am going to, it is a filled ellipse, entire thing will be in red color. Then I am going to change my color to cyan, and I am going to generate an inner ellipse. So inner ellipse, fill ellipse, if I am changing the color and I am going to generate an inner ellipse, means once again the inner ellipse will become a cyan color, so I will be getting a beautiful eye. This is the concept behind generating a fish eye with two fill ellipse, one with red, outer one with cyan, that is inner ellipse. Next one is the gills. The gills of your fish can be generated by using arcs. As I said, you can make small approximations so that it touches the body of your fish in a proper way. This is the gills. So already we have generated the eyes also. Then the fins. So you want to generate the fins. Fins can be thought as a part of a circle. So I'm using a pie slice method to generate this. Here also use some approximation and generate. Next one is the tail. Tail we are using sector. It is going to be some elongated circle. So I'm going to use a sector command to generate these tails. So we are just setting the color to red and we are going to set the sector command. Then the man, as I said, black color we'll use, set fill style of yellow, and we are going to generate a fill ellipse. So fill ellipse is going to generate an yellow face, and we are going to use two fill ellipse with black to generate two eyes, and a sector command here to generate the mouthpiece of a particular man. So now the lines also can be drawn for a hand and then legs and fishing rod, and you can also generate the birds by using a pair of arc commands. So we need two arc commands for bird 1 and two arcs command for bird 2. So we used all the basic commands what we have learned to create a beautiful picture like this. Happy coding!